Waterfall of Dreams. Now when did I write that? I wrote that back in 1993, in September. And it was for an album, actually, a cassette album called In the Country of My Heart. That's the title. And it was sort of country songs, bush songs during that time. I actually originally recorded it back in the 90s, and then I decided to re-record it just recently. Yes, so it's for a new album that's coming out on a flash drive, which is called As Fresh as the Morning. That's right, I've got to remember the title. As Fresh as the Morning, that's the title of the album. So it's only just been re-recorded, and it's such a beautiful song. And what inspired me to write that, I remember one time when I was in the Grampian Mountains range, and visiting the Mackenzie Falls, very spectacular falls. And also other falls that I've been to, such as in the Blue Mountains near Sydney. It's also inspired me to write the song, because there was a cascade of water. They call it the Cascades, really. So that inspired really. So Waterfall of Dreams, just imaginary of the waterfalls. And please enjoy the song, Waterfall of Dreams. I hear the water lapping in my mind today. I hear the water rushing in the mountains where I stray. A fishing rod in my hand to catch a trout or two, along the rugged river banks and mossy covered gloom. But times today in my mind still hear the waterfalls. I long to go back in the hills where the water calls. The rushing sound of water, the breeze blows through the trees, the tinkling sound of bellbirds, the waterfall of dreams. I hear the nature calling, it's calling me to come. But very soon I'll pack my gear where the rippling waters run. No matter if it's raining, that's best of all, you see. With my fishing bag across my back and a fishing rod, I'm free. But times today in my mind still hear the waterfalls. I long to go back in the hills where the water calls. The rushing sound of water, the breeze blows through the trees, the tinkling sound of bellbirds, the waterfall of dreams. Yes, times today in my mind still hear the waterfalls. I long to go back in the hills where the water calls. The rushing sound of water, the breeze blows through the trees, the tinkling sound of bellbirds, the waterfall of dreams.